Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with WOW. Internet beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with WOW. Internet, start by gathering your account information. This includes your account number, the name on the account, and any associated passwords. Next, decide whether you want to cancel online or over the phone. If you choose to cancel online, visit the WOW Internet official website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or support section. Look for the option to cancel your service. Follow the prompts to initiate your cancellation. Make sure to read any information about cancellation fees or final billing details. If you prefer to cancel by phone, locate the customer service number on the WOW website. Call the number and be prepared to provide your account information. A customer service representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Clearly state that you want to cancel your service. Ask about any early termination fees that may apply. Inquire about your final bill and any equipment return procedures. After your request is processed, confirm the cancellation date. Keep any confirmation numbers or emails for your records. Lastly, return any rented equipment if applicable by the specified date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.